Hello guys, welcome to another video with me, Marcelina. If you're new in this place, you're most welcome. Do you know what? It's night. Hear the night sounds around. It looks scary, not so? We are going to be making our dinner. Check who is running around. Hey, look at these night beauties. So guys, we are going to be preparing our dinner faster. It's a traditional meal, one of my best. So just stick around and watch and see what it is. We are starting with lighting our charcoal stove. For dinner, I'll be making fish stew. So I'm going to be washing the vegetables that I'm going to add into my fish stew, and I'm also going to chop them, and there we get ready to cook. And by the way guys, I'll be accompanying this stew with portion. So you don't have to miss. Just watch to the end and see how your girl Marcelina cooks. And remember to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be so grateful if you do that for me. And leave me a comment in the comment section. Let's add the cooking oil. we chop the carrots together with the tomatoes so we can add them too. We add the carrots and the green pepper into our brown onions. Now add the tomatoes as well. Add the eggplant. Wow, our fish is ready. The aroma is striking. It smells so good. Now let's add some more charcoal in the charcoal stove, and we can put the water to make our posho as well. Look at those eyes! Rex, where is Jojo? Look at you! Look at those torches there! Oh, guys! That is my buddy. He's called Rex. He's a very good boy. You see there? Our posho is ready. Now let's serve our food for dinner as it's ready to be eaten. Traditionally, our children don't eat with the elders, so I had to divide the food for the children and for the elder people. Our greens are ready as well. This is how we do it here in Palisa, Eastern Uganda, Africa. Let me know how you do it. Those ends.